Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So first of all, open a browser and go to roblox.com. Now guys, once you're here, you have to go to Avatar, and you can see that I have equipped or I can wear multiple hairs. So if you're trying to select multiple hair, it will automatically unselect the previous one. But you can see that I have already selected the multiple one. How did I do that? So if let me unselect some of them, if I trying to select multiples, you can see that I can select as many as I want. So how did I do that? Fine. So guys, you can do this by there's a extension, there's a Chrome extension called BT Roblox. You can search for it and click on it, and you just need to install from here. So I've already installed, so you just need to click on this install button and your extension will be installed. So to enable it, you have to go to three dot and go to extensions, go to manage extensions and enable. Make sure it is enabled in the background. Once it is enabled, you just need to go to Roblox web page and just refresh your page. And after refreshing, so the site will change and the interface, the menu will be updated with these options. So you just need to go back to the hairs, and now you can select as many as you want. So by using this extension, it allow you to select multiple hair, but by default, the Roblox doesn't allow to select more than two hairs. But using this extension, you can select as many as want and as many as you want here on Roblox. Fine. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.